Hey guys, it's zoning day. It's not just any zoning day, it's for my own home. My wife and I have been needing to get some intelligence added to our HVAC system. We have a brand new state-of-the-art Bosch heat pump central air system, but the issue here is this home was built in 1975. It is a split level home, so we have multiple kind of like half floors, 6 sets of stairs separating each level. The problem with that is we just have one stage system right now, and we have no zone dampers. We have no way to say, hey, living room level's hot, let's send more air over there. Hey, wintertime, bedroom level's cold, let's get some more heat down there. Well, Arzel's gonna fix that problem. So we are putting in the Heat Pump Pro panel. It does way more than just heat pump systems. We are gonna go 3 zones. So I have 3 different colored striped rubber hosing ready to go for those air lines. And we even hooked the contractor up with a nice install kit. You can buy these as well. And we have all the dampers that we needed because they did stop by, do a full inspection. We figured out, okay, we're gonna need 1 trunk damper and then 2 different size round dampers for the takeoffs. And then to save my wonderful contractor some time, a lot of people don't know this, you can pre-order the metal duct sleeves with the holes already cut out for the dampers to slide in and mount to. I decided to save him some labor because we are going to be replacing the flex duct on the takeoffs. So that's just an extra little value add. A lot of contractors, they just buy the dampers as is, and then you add this decal onto your ductwork, and then you can cut that opening out accordingly, whether it be a 5-inch or a 6-inch round, for example. And then once it's all said and done, I am the Pro 1 rep, so I already have the Pro 1 T855 ISH Wi-Fi stat installed upstairs in Zone 1. I went ahead, we're gonna put 2 more in, 1 stat per zone, and when all set is done, Arzel is gonna add the much needed intelligence to our home to help us get the air where it needs to be to satisfy those sensing points when they're needed. I'm so excited. So shout out to Zongora, they're gonna be our main install team today. Very excited to give you more footage ahead. Thanks everyone.